Everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about making homepage slider dynamic. So let's see how can we make this homepage slider dynamic. Okay. So first of all, let's create a model for the slider. So switch to the command prompt and first of all stop the running application. So press Ctrl plus C. And now let's create the model. So for that, type here the command php artisan make model space model name. Let's say model name is home slider, and also create the migration. So just write here dash m. All right, now press enter. All right, model and migration has been created. Now switch to the project and let's open the home slider migration. So just go inside the database directory, then migration, and from here just open create home slider table migration. All right, and inside this migration, let's create some columns. So after this id, write here table data type string and column name title table arrow string and column name subtitle. All right, table arrow string and data type column name price. Another column table string and column name link, and for the slider image data type of string and column name image. One more column for the status. Okay, a string data type boolean and column name status. All right, and now just copy this table name home underscore sliders and open the home slider model file. So just go inside the app directory models, and from here just open home slider.php file. Okay, and inside this file let's add here the table name. So right here protected $table is equal to home underscore sliders. All right, and now save this file, and now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt, and for migrating the migration write here the command php artisan migrate. Okay, now press enter. Migration complete. Now let's create three livewire component. Okay, one for the list all slides and second livewire component for the add new slide, and third component for the edit slide. All right, so let's create the livewire component. So just write here php artisan make livewire space directory name which is admin slash component name. Let's say component name is admin home slider component. All right, now press enter. Second component for add new slide. So just write here php artisan make livewire space admin directory name and component name admin add home slider component. All right, and third component which is for edit the slider. So just write it php artisan make livewire space directory name admin and component name admin edit home slider component. All right, and now press enter. Okay, component created. Now switch to the project and let's create the route for this component. So open the web.php file. So just go inside the routes directory and open web.php, and inside this admin middleware route, after this route, just create the route get at the URI admin slash slider. Add here the component class name, which is admin home slider component, then colon class. Alright, and also give the route name admin dot home slider. Okay, and now create the route for the add slider route get URI slash admin slash slider slash add. Okay, and class name admin add home slider component. Okay, this one colon class, and give the route name admin dot add home slider. All right, and one more route for the edit slide route colon get slash admin slash slider slash edit, and pass one parameter which is uh, slide id slide underscore id. Okay, and add here the component class name admin edit home slider component colon class. Right, and route name admin dot edit home slider. All right, now save this file and now just open the class file of admin home slider component. Okay, so just go inside the app directory, then http livewire admin, and from here just open admin home slider component.php file, and inside this class file let's add here the layout. After this add here the layout, and add here the directory name layouts dot layout name which is base. And now open the admin add a home slider dot component.php file, and add here the layout dot base. Okay, and now inside the admin edit home slider component.php file, add here layout layouts dot base. Okay, now save this file. Layouts added in 3 component. Okay, all right, now open the base layout file. So from the resources directory, resources, views, layouts, and open the base.blade.php file, and inside the admin menu, you can see here this is the admin menu. So after this all product link, after this li, let's add one more li, and add here the class menu dash item, and now add here the anchor tag title manage home slider. All right, href is equal to double curly bracket route, and add here the route name, this one admin dot home slider. Okay, so just copy and paste here, and now just close this anchor tag and add here the text manage home slider. All right, and now save this file. Okay, now let's check this. So first of all, run the application. So just type here the command php artisan serve. Okay, now switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now click on login and add here the admin credential, admin@admin.com, and enter the password. Now click on login. Okay, now inside the admin link you can see here the manage home slider link. Okay, now just click on this link. Okay, you can see here the admin home slider component. Okay, now let's add here inside this component, let's add here the table. So just go to the project and let's go inside the admin home slider component, inside this file admin home slider component.php file, and inside the render method let's fetch the all slides. So just type here sliders is equal to home slider colon all. Okay, and now inside the view add here the comma big bracket sliders arrow dollar sliders. Okay, and now save this file and now open the admin home slider component view file. Okay, so from resources directory, resources views livewire admin, and from here just open admin home slider component .blade.php file. Okay, and inside this file let's add a table. So just remove this text and first of all add the container here, container, and also give some padding. So add here a style padding, top and bottom 30 pixel and left right 0 pixel. Okay, and now add here the row in column md12. Now add the panel default. Okay, then panel heading, and after this add the panel body. Okay, inside the panel heading add the title. So before adding the title add here the row column md6 into 2. Okay, in the first div add here the title all slides. Okay, and inside the second div add here the link for adding new slide. So right here anchor tag href double curly bracket route and add the route name for adding new slide. Okay, so just copy this one admin dot add home slider and paste here. Now add the class btn success. Okay, and also right, and now close this anchor tag and add here a text add new slide. All right. Okay, and now inside the panel body let's add the table. So add here a table tag class table script, then head tr th id, and now just copy this paste here many time. All right, and now change here the name image, then title subtitle price link, and here date, and before the date just add the status, and one more column which is action. Alright, and now after the T head, add here T body, then add here for each directive, then sliders, add dollar slider, and inside this for each, add here tr, td, double curly bracket, dollar slider, arrow id, and now just copy this line and paste. Okay, now change here the column name, image, and here title, subtitle, price, link, status. Okay, and one more for the date, created at. Okay, created underscore at, and one blank date for the action. All right, and here for the image, just cut this and add here the image tag, img tag. Okay, and inside the src, just add here double curly bracket, asset, then right here asset, images, and sliders. Okay, and let's create this directory sliders inside the public folder. So just go inside the project directory and then public, assets, images, and inside this folder let's create a new folder and rename with sliders. All right, okay, now after this curly bracket, add here the forward slash, then curly bracket, dollar slider, and arrow image. Okay, and now add here the width 120 pixel and just close this image tag. Okay, and for the status, add here equal 1. If the status is equal to 1, then just print here active, otherwise print here inactive. Okay, all right, now it's done. So let's save this file and let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, you can see here the table. Okay, now for adding the new slide, just click on this link, add new slide, and you can see here the add new slide component. Okay, so let's add the form inside this component. So switch to the project and just open admin adds home slider component view file. So from the resources directory, just open admin add home slider component.blade.php file. All right, and just remove this text and add here the container here, container, and also add style padding 30 pixel and 0 pixel. Okay, and inside this div, add here the row, then column empty 12, add here the panel default, then panel heading, and after this panel body. All right, and now add here the row, column MD6 into 2 for creating 2 column. All right, and now add here the title and new slide. Okay, and add here the link for viewing all slide. So right here anchor tag href double curly bracket route, and just copy the route name, this one admin dot home slider, this one. Okay, and paste here. Now add here the class btn success and full right. Okay, now just close the anchor tag and uh, write here a text slider all slides. Okay, all right. Now inside the panel body, let's create a form. So right here form class is equal to form dash horizontal, and inside the form let's create the input field div class form dash group, and inside this create the label class call md4 and control dash label, and add here a text title. Alright, and after this label add here the input type text. So first add here the div class call md4. Okay, and inside this div just write here input type is equal to text and placeholder title and class form dash control input dash md. Okay, and now just close this. Okay, now just copy this and paste here many times, and now change here the text subtitle for the subtitle. Okay, and here for the price and here for the link, and paste one more time and add here the text image slider image. Okay, and from here just remove this input text and add here input type is equal to file and class input dash file. Okay, and after this add here a select control. Okay, for the status. So just paste here and change here the text status, and now remove this input text field and add here select control select class form dash control, and inside the select let's add two options. Value is equal to 0 and text inactive inactive, and another option value is equal to 1 and text active. Okay, and last just add here the submit button. So remove this label and remove this input text field and add here the button type is equal to submit and the class btn primary, and add here the text submit. All right, okay, now save this file and let's check this form. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, and here you can see the form. All right, now switch to the project and let's create some property inside the admin at home slider component class file. Okay, so inside this file let's create some properties here. So just write here for creating the property public dollar title public dollar subtitle public dollar price, public dollar link, public dollar image, and public dollar status. All right, and now add the lifecycle hook method, mount method. Okay, so right here public function method name mount, and inside this let's set the default value inside the status property. So right here dollar this arrow status is equal to default value 0. Okay, and now save this file, and let's bind this property with the form control. Okay, so go to the component view file, and inside this form let's bind the property. So binding the property, just right here wire model is equal to property name title. All right, and inside the subtitle wire colon model is equal to subtitle. For the price wire colon model is equal to price. For the link wire colon model is equal to link. Okay, and for the image wire colon model is equal to image. And finally for the status, inside the select right here wire colon model is equal to status. All right, and inside the image control, for the preview the image, right here at the rate if if dollar image, and just close here the if directive, and, at the rate if, and inside this just add here the image tag img tag, and src is equal to double curly bracket, then simply write here dollar image and call the temporary url method. Okay, temporary url this. All right, and also set the width 120 pixel. Okay, and I just close this img tag. Okay, now save this file. Now go to the admin add home slider component file, and here let's create a function for adding the slides. So just write here public function and function name add slide. All right, and here first of all create a variable slider is equal to new home slider. All right, and now dollar slider, I'm just going to copy this and paste here, paste tab, and now select all, and simply write here dollar slider arrow. All right, and now add here the equal sign dollar this arrow. Okay, so just copy this title and paste here title, subtitle, price, link, image, and status. All right, and for the image right here dollar image name is equal to use the carbon method carbon and also import here use carbon slash carbon. Okay, carbon and call here the now method and then time stamp. Okay, then add here the concatenation sign dot concatenation sign dollar this arrow image, call here the extension method extension this one. All right, and now dollar this arrow image and call here the function store edge. All right, and add here the folder name sliders, then simply pass image name. Okay, this one. And now slider arrow image is equal to this one. Okay, and after this just call here the save method and slider arrow save. Okay, and for printing displaying the message inside the JSON just call here the flash method flash, and inside the flash add here the key message and message slide has been created successfully. Okay, all right, and one more thing, for uploading the image import here livewire with file upload. Okay, and inside the class just add here the use with file upload. All right, okay, now save this file and let's call this function on form submit. So go to the component view file inside this file and on the form submit inside the form just add here wire colon submit dot event is equal to this method add slide. Okay, and now save this file. Okay, and for displaying the message before the form just add here the if directive and first of all check the session has message key, then let's close the if directive and if, and inside this if just simply print here the alert. Okay, so write here div class is equal to uh, alert space alert as success and also provide the role alert. Okay, and now simply print here inside the double curly bracket station and call the get method and simply pass here the key message. All right, and now save this file. Now it's done, so let's check this. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. All right, now just add here the title. Let's say first slider first slide title. Okay, and add here the subtitle. Let's say first slide subtitle and price. Let's say 200. Add here the link https colon slash and just copying this URL shop page URL. Okay, and just paste here. Now browse the slide image, so click on browse and select any image. I'm just going to select this one, open, the status active, and now just click on submit. You can see here the preview image. Okay, and now just click on submit, and here you can see slide has been created successfully. All right, now view the slide. So just click on all slides, and here image is not showing, so let's check the image. Okay, but repos has been created. All right, so switch to the project and let's check the image. So just go inside the admin home slide, this one with this viewpoint. Okay, and inside the image tag, assets, images, sliders. Here is correct. Okay, so inside the admin, add home slider component. uh, okay, here is the mistake. When we are storing the slider arrow image, just write here not image, just write here the image dollar, this one dollar image name. Okay, now save this file, and for this slide, just open the PHP myadmin, and open the database Laravel 8 ecommerce DB, and this is the home sliders table. So just click on browse. Okay, and you can see here this is the mistake inside the image name. Okay, so go inside the project directory, and you can see here this is the image name. So just copy this, and here just edit the row, and remove this image name because this is the invalid name. Okay, now save, paste here, and just click on go. All right, and now go to this page and just refresh the page, and now you can see here the image. Okay, try one more time. So just click on add new slide, and click enter the title. Get the second slide title. Okay, and add here the subtitle, second slide subtitle. All right, and enter here the price, this one, add here the link. So I'm just copy this one and paste here, add here the any link, and now browse the slide image. This time I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and you can see here the image preview. Okay, the status active, and now just click on submit. Okay, slide uploaded successfully, created successfully. Now let's check this. So just click on all slides, and this time you can see here the image preview, slides image preview. Okay, image. All right, now let's see how can we edit the slide. Okay, so for that just go inside the project, and here let's open the admin edit home slide component.php file, and inside this file, first of all add here the mount method, public function, and function name mount, and inside this mount method, just pass one parameter, which is slider $slider underscore id. Okay, and now create the slider variable. Slider is equal to home slider find, and pass here $slider underscore id. Okay, and then let's add here the property. So from this component class file, let's copy this property and paste here. Okay, and for the file with uploads, add here use livewire with file uploads. Okay, and here add one more property, public dollar new image. All right, now inside the mount method, right here dollar this arrow title is equal to dollar slider arrow title. All right, now just copy this and paste here. Now change here the column name subtitle, so just copy and paste here. Price, link, image, status. Okay, and here create one more property for the slider id. Okay, slider underscore id. All right, so add here dollar this arrow slider underscore id is equal to dollar slider arrow, call the id column. Okay, id. Okay, now save this file and now just open the admin home slider component view file. Okay, so from the resources directory just open admin edit home slider, this one component.blade.php file. Okay, and from the admin add home slider component.blade.php file, let's select all the text and copy. Okay, and just paste inside the admin edit home slider component.blade.php file. Okay, this file, select all and remove and paste here. All right, and now change here the text, edit slide title, edit slide, and inside the submit button simply write here the text update. All right, and for the image, bind with this property with new image, and also add here new image. Okay, and inside the else part simply add here the image tag src, and load from the database. So add here the directory name, first add here the asset, then assets slash images slash directory name sliders, and after this add here the forward slash and simply write here dollar image. Okay, and also width, set the width 120 pixel and close the image tag. Okay, all right, now save this file and now inside the admin edit homes slider component.php file, let's create a new function for the updating the slide. So for that just type here public function and function name update slide. Okay, and inside this just type here slider is equal to home slider, and simply call here find dollar this arrow slider underscore id. Okay, and now right here slider arrow title is equal to dollar this arrow title. All right, now just copy this line, copy this and paste here, and change here the column name. So just copy this one, subtitle, and add here subtitle, and for the price link, and here images, the status. Okay, and now just call here slider arrow save method. Okay, and for displaying the message, put the message inside the session and call the flash method. Flash, add the key message, and simply add here the message slide has been updated successfully. All right. Okay, and for the image, before this, add here if dollar this arrow new image in right here dollar image image name um, image name, all right, is equal to carbon. I'm just going to copy this one from the add slide method. Just copy this and paste here. Okay, remove this and paste here. Now add the carbon method. So just import here use carbon slash carbon. Okay, and here change here the dollar this arrow new image, and here also new image slider image is equal to this one. Okay, now just remove this line from here. Now it's done. Okay, now just copy this function name and save this file, and just go to the admin edit home slider component of blade.php file, and inside the form submit method just remove this function name add slide and add here the method name update slide. Okay, all right, now save this file. Now it's done. One more thing, just go to the admin home home slider component of blade.php file, and inside this table, just inside this td add here the link for edit the slide. So add here the link anchor tag href is equal to curly bracket, and add here the route, and go to the web.php file and just copy this one, add admin dot edit home slider. Okay, so just copy and paste here, and also pass the parameter is slide underscore id. Okay, so just copy this and paste here, and also add here the arrow sign dollar slider arrow id. Okay, now save this file and also add here the class. Simply close the anchor tag. Okay, and inside this anchor tag add here the I tag class fa edit. Okay, and increase the fa size 2x and set the color text as info. Alright, and just close this. Okay, now save this file. Everything good. Edit slide. Okay, add here the slider underscore id. Slide underscore id. Okay, just copy and paste it. Slide underscore id. Okay, now save this file and let's check again. So search to the browser and just refresh the page. And here you can see the edit link. Okay, now let's edit this slide. So just click on this link. Okay, and you can see here the slide record, title, subtitle, price, URL, image, and status. Okay, I'm just going to change here. Uh, uh, let's change the price to 156. Okay, and also change the image. All right, you can see here the new image. All right, and now just click on update, and you can see here slide has been updated successfully. So just click on all slides. And you can see here the updated slide. All right, okay, now let's see how can we delete the slide. So for that, just go inside the admin home slider component.php file, and inside this file, let's create a function for deleting the record. Okay, so right here public function and function name, let's say function name is delete slide. Okay, and inside this function just pass here the one parameter which is slide underscore id. Okay, and now dollar slider is equal to home slider colon find dollar slide underscore id. All right, and now just call here the delete method delete, and after the deletion simply put the message inside the json flash add the key message, and add here the message slider has been deleted successfully. All right, okay, now just copy this method name and go to the admin home slider component.play.php file, and inside this table after this edit link simply create a new link, anchor tag href, and put here the hash sign. Okay, and close this anchor tag and add here I tag class fa dash times. Okay, and also increase the size fa dash 2x, and add the text color red. So add here the denser text dash denser, and close the I tag, and inside the href tag simply call here wire on click event dot prevent is equal to add here the method name delete slide. Okay, and inside this function just pass here the slide id. Okay, slider id. So right here slider arrow id. All right, now save this file. Now it's done. So let's check this. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see here the delete link. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this one. So click on this link and you can see here the record has been deleted. Okay, but there is no message showing. So let's add just before this table. Let's add here the alert. So for that, simply write here if station colon has um, name message, and add here the div if directives, and inside this simply write here the alert div class alert alert success role alert, and inside this div simply print here the message get the session get, and add the key message. Okay, now save this file. Okay, now try one more time. So switch to the browser and refresh the page. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this one. Click on this link and you can see here slider has been deleted successfully. All right. Okay, now add one slide. I'm just going to write here first slide title, and here first slide subtitle price 200. Add the link http colon slash slash uh, just copy this and add here the link shop, browse the image, select one. Okay, the status active, and now just click on submit. Slide added. Okay, click on all slide, and here you can see here the slide. Okay, now let's use this slide on home page. So let's click on home link, and okay, this time this is the static slider. Okay, now let's make this dynamic. So for that, just switch to the project and just open the home component file. Okay, home component class file. So from the app directory http uh, livewire, and from here just open home component.php file. All right, and inside this file, uh, inside the render method, first fetch the all slider. Okay, so just write here slider is equal to slider home slider colon, and add here the condition where the status, okay, status is equal to 1, and then call the get method. Okay, and now inside this return, just add here the sliders. Okay, and inside the return view, add here the comma, big bracket, sliders, arrow, dollar sliders. All right. Okay, now save this file, and now open the home component view file. So from the resources directory, resources, views, livewire, and home, you can see here the home component blade.php file. So just open this, and inside this file let's find the slider. You can see here on the top, this is the main slider. Okay, and you can see here this is the first slide, second slide, and this one third slide. Okay, we need only this slide, so remove these two slides from here to here. So select from here to here and just remove this, Alright, and before this div, let's add here the for each directive for each and dollar sliders add dollar slide. Okay, and now just cut this div and paste inside the for each directive. Alright, okay, and inside the title, just remove this and here add the double curly bracket dollar slide arrow title. Okay, and for the subtitle double curly bracket dollar slide arrow subtitle. Okay, and for the price remove this price and add here dollar slide arrow price. Okay, and here you can see the link. Okay, so just remove this hashtag and add here slide arrow link. Alright, and for the image just remove this image name and add here the directory name sliders, and after this add a forward slash curly bracket dollar slide arrow image. Alright, now it's done, so let's check this. So save this file and switch to the browser and refresh the page, and here you can see the slide. Okay, it's showing the one slide because inside the database table you can see here there is only one record. Okay, if I add a new slide, just click on add new link and add here second slide title, and here second slide subtitle, add here the price 500, link http paste, let's copy this shop, browse the slider image. I'm just going to select this one and test status active. Okay, and now just click on submit, slide added. Okay, and now just click on all slides and you can see here the two slides. Okay, and if I click on home link, you can see here the first slide and second slide. Okay, now it's become dynamic, and if I click on shop now link, you can see here the shop page link. Okay, and if I inactive any one slide, I'm just going to inactive this slide. Just click on edit and make this inactive. Okay, and now click on update. Okay, and you can see here the status inactive, and now just click on home link and here you can see the only one slide because second slide has been inactive. Okay, so in this way you can make home page slider dynamic. So that's all about making home page slider dynamic. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.